Hi class, so welcome to another session on CS384. This time we will be dealing with multiple assignments in Python. So you have already seen the basic assignment, x is equal to 10, let's say y is equal to 9.6, and I can do print x comma y, right? So it will display the value 10 and 9.6. Now let us do one more thing. I will do print, I can define, let's say, x and y in this fashion also. Let us give different values 87.6. So what did you do in the same line x comma y is equal to 15 comma 87 dot 0.6. So 15 will be assigned to x and 87 will be assigned to y. This is called multiple assignments in Python, and you can extend it to whatever you like. A, B, C, D is equal to, let's say, 7, 99, 2 and 3. So A will be given the value 7, B will be given the value 99. If you want to check, let us try to display the value of A. So A here was 7. So when I run this code, I will get the output as 7. Right? I also used to display the value of X and Y initially. So now let us erase those values. Let us check the value of C. C was the third variable here. So 1, 2 and 3. So C gets the value 2. Let us confirm in the output also. C gets the output as 2. I can even display multiple variables A, B, C and D. So this gets all the values 7, 99, 2 and 3. 7, 99, 2 and 3. One thing you should remember is that you should not have lesser number of values here. So see, in this case what I am saying A, B, C, D. So I am using 4 variables, but I am giving only 3 values. This will generate an error. See, trace back, need more than 3 values to unpack. Unpack means 7 is given to A, 99 is given to B, 2 is given to C, but for D there is no value. So let us put some values 4, 5, 6 and then print the value. Okay. So that's it. This is how, and the best part of Python is you can even do this to assign multi data types. So let's say x, y and z is equal to 6 comma, let us say COVID. Okay, and then we will say 9.81, the universal gravitational constant, and then try to print the value of x, y and z, right? So 6, COVID and 9.81, right? So many times during C we used to realize that okay, we need to define initial values and everything. So this is how Python can help assign multiple values easily. That's it.